Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again I'm present with another update video of Bittorrent token. What's the price of BTT token? What's the price changes occur, guys? Let me show you these all things, guys. If you're new in my channel, or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos, guys. It is time, guys. If we talk about the currently live price of Bitcoin token, so you can see here 0.0003665 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Bitcoin token. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of BTT token, so you can see here that at last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes of Bitcoin token is completely positive. That's congratulations for all of you guys. I'm very happy to see this update, guys. Very happy, believe me. Anyways, now let's check it out the price chart. Oh my god, oh my god, you know what, absolutely a very paid fast token in the Bitcoin token. You can see here, that's why the change is also negative 2.79%. but don't worry, guys, if I zoom the price chart, so you can see, guys, that is 15 October today. That's clear, guys, that the price start positive changes. Price in the right now situation in the currently in the latest update, guys, BTT to the moon. BTT price start pumping, guys. I believe that for a long time BTT will continue this pump. So just hold, guys. Just hold. Anyways, now, guys, what's your opinion? What's your protection about Bitcoin token? Also share in the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.